welcome to today's video. So today's video, I got my Doki Doki crate by Doki Doki box by Japan Crate. Let me tell you a story about this. So late one night, I was scrolling through the thing and I was like, oh, I want to try that box. That was in April. It shipped in May. I skipped the month in May because I hadn't gotten it yet, and I was like, well, until I get it, I kind of don't want to get another one. And then I canceled it in June, and it is now July. But it finally showed up, so it's been on its own little adventure. So let's see what's inside, and I have no idea what's going to be inside. My youngest is more into the Japanese culture and can say all these, and I can't, so I'm not even going to try. And he is going to get most everything in this box when I'm done filming. So, but let's see what's in the store. So Doki Doki crate was $35, I think, and then with shipping, I think I paid $40, I think. But Japan Crate actually has a few different kinds. They have a snack one, and then I think the other one was skincare, but I'm not sure. Ooh, this looks interesting. So there's a little booklet that tells me, it should tell me everything that's in it. It does say it's for June 2020. How weird that it would be for June, but it paid in like April and it was supposed to ship in May. But that's neat. Maybe they like are ahead because they know. Oh, what's this? I won a $3 gift card to their online store. So that's neat. So let's see what's in this box. So the first thing says that it is a cooling pillow. I actually have a cooling pillow. I use it every night. It is absolutely the best thing ever. That is cool. Oh, it says it's an Arctic couch. It's this little whale. It's like a little purse. I'm going to get it open. Yep, and it should have like this little string in here. Oh, that's neat. Oh, that's neat. I like that. So the next item is a crystal canister. Oh, that's really pretty. Put all kinds of stuff in that. And I'll put everything back in a second. Okay, so this is a ice pack. You can put it in there and put it in your bento box, or lunch box, or you can carry it with you. Keep your water cold. And then it looks like the last thing is a tote bag. I like how it's like all themed. It's called a summer splash crate. Well, that's a nice size tote. So you got your little tote, your little pillow, your purse, canister, and your ice cream. That's kind of neat. So it looks like they've had different things in there before too. But that, I like that. It's kind of fun. So that's kind of what the insert looks like. And like I said, it was only like $35 or $40. It is going to be my only one-off box, but I did put the codes in the descriptions down there, so if anybody wanted to try it. I do unboxings all the time. I'm rotating subscriptions at the moment, but if any of my boxes look interesting, or any other boxes look interesting that I've done, you can go ahead and make sure you subscribe and like the video. Tell me what you think. I'm switching everything up, so we've been trying with dual cameras. It's really a pain to set up, but I really think aesthetically it's kind of neat because you can see inside the box as I take it out of the box. So I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Hurt your face. Bye.